How to add local delivery to Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate the pickup and also the local delivery into your Square website. So we are going to head over to squareup.com, sign in for an account and make sure that we have the Square Online account activated. We are going to click on online, wait for the dashboard of the website to load up. It will take a little bit of time, but you need to wait for it. As you can see, everything is here. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the shipping. Basically, if you do not see the shipping from here, you can go ahead and head over here to the specific settings from here, and then you're going to search for it. And also, you can set up the fulfillment, as you can see, or head over here the fulfillment, click on pickup and delivery. It will take you up to another page on the same website. So we are going to wait for a few seconds and it is going to show up the as you can see here, the specific menu. I'm going to let you see that we can set up the pickup and the delivery. So we are going to have either some advanced settings or POS right there, notification, etc. But it doesn't matter a lot. Or we can go ahead and set up the location. So you can go ahead and offer a pickup, as you can see. If yes, you're going to have it like this. You can set up the pickup and also the local delivery from the shipping as it is. For example, if you're going to put the shipment, you can go ahead and set up the shipping for Square Online, for example, like this. I'm going to head over here and wait for the shipping options. You can add some profiles. This is the shipping. Now you can add or set up the shipping from here. You're going to put your address or the shipping from. You're going to confirm that this is the shipping location of yours. I'm going to have this here, so use it anyway. This is my address from here. This is going to be everything fake in here because I haven't set up something from my local one. And as you can see, we're going to find here the shipping rates. You can add some profiles and then you're going to set up the order or the item and name it local delivery. So for the countries, you can go ahead and list the countries and add it as, I don't know here, the specific country that you are going to put. You can add a country, for example, we're going to be in France, so we are going to set up the local delivery in France. We're going to name it as local delivery. And we're going to set up the rates, for example, local type, for example, flat rate. We're going to put the fee of it as maybe 15, like that. Click on done, boom, per item, per order, for example, like that. And here we have it. You can save and boom. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you in the next one.